Shiba Inu. Holy shit, this could be it. We might have a timeline on Shibarium. I know, we've been waiting forever, but Shytoshi has spoke, and he says Shibarium could be coming very, very soon. Now, the beta version of Shibarium just crossed over 11 million addresses, which is insane. And if that is anything foreshadowing what's to come, this is going to get really, really interesting once the full launch happens. Welcome back, everybody. Let's dive into this story. Watcher Guru just put it out. We got to dive in here and find out what's going on. So let's do that. As we do that, make sure you guys smash the like button, tap it, do whatever you need to do to it, annihilate the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. I'm fired up. I've had a couple glasses of coffee. I was up really early. I went for a run and all kind of crazy stuff. But all right, so Shiba Inu, Shytoshi says Shibarium could be out in 2 to 4 months. Now, let's dive a little bit deeper into the article and find out where he said this and how this came to be. So Shy has mentioned that the project's layer 2 could see the light of the day in 2 or 4 months. So today's April 18th. We're looking at May, June, July, August timeframe. The revelation is a sigh of relief for fans and users out there as the launch has seen several delays since its announcement. Kusama said that the current priority for the Shibarium network is to build systems. Kusama revealed that he might wear the systems designer hat next. And this would include things like a ticket system, support, onboarding, the developer said. And furthermore, Kusama, these ads on Watcher Guru are just out of control sometimes. All right. Furthermore, Kusama also revealed that the team is working on user interface for some, quote, secret projects. Additionally, there are some surprises to help businesses that do not fully understand the metaverse as well. Okay, so this was originally planned for a 2022 release, but many people believe that just given the market sentiment, they took their time, right? Let's make it even better. Let's take our time with this because the market's in a shambles, right? But we also know that unification is part of this. Maybe they needed more time. We don't know exactly what happened here, but I'm willing to wait. Personally, right? I mean, because great things take time, especially building out a layer 2 like this and Shibarium and also, a metaverse. You look across the board, I mean, great projects get delayed all the time. Cardano, everything they do gets delayed. So, I mean, this is kind of like par for the course in crypto and when you're building technology. Now, the testnet for Shibarium recently witnessed an 86% spike in the number of wallets. We talked about that in some videos yesterday and already today. And a member of the SHIB Pixel Pups has revealed that the spike was due to a script designed to stress test the network. The script created over 9.5 million wallets on PuppyNet and executed over 3 million transactions on the beta network. So that is why we've seen the surge. The total number of addresses has since crossed 13 million. So that was a little wild. I'm glad we got some clarity on that a little bit. But still, nice influx of users there over on the beta. With Shibarium now right around the corner, there's a possibility of a spike in Shiba Inu prices. SHIB currently faces a resistance at 11.73, guys. We've tested it a few times. We've got up there real close, and then we've kind of, come back down, and we've got that support at 11.24. We're trading right in that channel right now. It's been a little while. We'll see if we can, break out of there a little bit. So market's up right now, too, so we'll see if SHIB continues to trend upwards. But this is good news as we're getting a timetable here, at least somewhat of a timetable. Could be out in 2 to 4 months. And patience is a virtue. We talk about it all the time. But listen, great things take time. Shibarium will come out when it's ready, right? And I know so many people, are out there saying, Zach, we've waited forever. Come on. But, I mean, I'm okay. I think we'll be okay, right? Especially if you're in crypto for the long haul. I mean, if you're looking at this as a 10-year plan and, you're in here till 2030 and beyond, a lot of opportunities are going to come at us. And this is one that when it happens, I think Shiba Inu is primed to be even a bigger asset that's taken more seriously by the masses. Appreciate you guys as always. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care.